You are ready to step forward, but something is still making you hesitate. The Queen of Wands asks, "Why are you holding back?" Her sunflower follows the light. This week, stop searching for faults and recognize the strength, warmth, and talent you already carry. Her wand represents action. Begin the task, or take the opportunity you have been quietly postponing because of self-doubt.
You hold the key to this strength. Stand firm in your space and let your confidence settle beautifully. The black cat beside her reminds you of your own quiet instinct. Trust your inner compass. It has never steered you wrong. And as you move forward, remember, you are the author of your own story. Comment your word of courage below and step into your power.